10 to shoot.
10. 10 to shoot.
2 points. 0. Foul counted. Foul number 31.
Fouled out. Fouled out yun, fouled out.
Fouled out number 31.
Masahig pa lang eh.
Fouled out yun, fouled out.
Yung 31.
Fouled out, fouled out. Gamitin yung mic, gamitin yung mic, i-announce nyo. Nasa uniform mo na, wala pa. Dali pagkatapos ito.
Penalty.
Sinong 38?
Yung ano, blue.
Blue? Wala na. Seconds left.
9 seconds left. Complete roll.
No more shot clock.
Umano na mong fight. Di ba yung
Sino kaya ang best player? Mamaya natin yung best player kasi.
time out.
Pag na-shoot.
Okay.
Hindi pwede mag-time out pag na-shoot. Okay.
Time out, parang.
30 seconds lang ah. So may ikot. 9 seconds left.
Just 9 seconds.
Back to the ball game. Shot.
9 seconds left.
Wala na.
Play!
5. New ball. Last 3 seconds.